Hello and welcome to the recipe video for a German pork dish called Schweinegeschnetzeltes, which is a fast and easy dish with pork tenderloin strips and an amazing hunter sauce. If you don't like pork, you could make this dish with chicken breast. I already sliced the pork tenderloin into bite-sized strips, roughly cut the onion, and cleaned the mushrooms and sliced them. Make sure to don't slice them too finely so they don't get soggy during the cooking process. You can find a list with all the ingredients with exact measurements and the written recipe as always below in the video description. In a large pan, heat about 1 tablespoon of oil and fry half of the tenderloin strips for a couple of minutes on both sides. Salt and pepper the meat slices right before you set the meat aside. Take the first batch of meat out of the pan and repeat the step with the remaining oil and meat. Make sure you don't overcook the meat. It should be not fully cooked as it will cook more in the sauce later on. Set the second batch of meat aside and melt the butter in the same pan. Then add the onion cubes and fry them until they are slightly browned. Add the sliced mushrooms to the pan and fry them for a couple of minutes. Then sprinkle the mushrooms with the flour. Stir well and fry the mushrooms for another couple of minutes. Pour the white wine into the pan and let it simmer for a couple of minutes until the liquid has reduced to about half of the amount. If you don't like to use alcohol, you can use apple juice instead. Then add the heavy cream and simmer for another few minutes. For a lighter version of this recipe, you could use half and half. Add the meat, including the meat juices, to the pan and let it simmer down to the desired thickness. Give it a little taste test and adjust the salt and pepper to your taste if necessary. Serve with rice, spätzle or dumplings and a vegetable side dish. Guten Appetit! Check out our recipes for spätzle and bread dumplings. They are the perfect side for every German meal.